How many times have you tried to set the timer on a VCR, a DVR, or any other type of electronic device? Let's face it, if you don't have a 9-year-old kid around to show you the way, you're pretty much screwed. Unfortunately, setting the clock on most of today's high-tech motorcycles isn't really much different. Without your owner's manual, it could take years to figure this stupid thing out. So come clean. Did you buy a bike that didn't come with a manual? Or maybe you did what I did. You put your owner's manual in such a safe place that you can't remember where the hell you put it. It's probably with your title and spare set of keys. Don't worry, we'll find them one of these days. Welcome back, everyone. This is Trip, and today I'm going to show you just how to set that damn clock on your Kawasaki Vulcan S. Actually, it's really quite simple once you know how to do it. And obviously, the first thing we need to do to get started is to turn on the bike. To accomplish this monumental task, we've got to first locate 3 things on the instrument cluster of our bike. The first is the left meter button right above the neutral light. The second is the right meter button over here. And the third is the digital clock readout. And now to set the clock. Step 1, take and push the left meter button until ODO lights up. There it is. See how we're scrolling through the different functions here? Get to ODO and stop. And step number 2 is surprisingly just as simple. Push and hold the right meter button until the hour and minute start to flash. Now once you've got that hour and minute flashing, you want to press the right meter button again to set the hours. So now the hours are flashing and you want to adjust the hour upward with the left meter button, and it only moves upward. And let's say we want to go to, let's say it's 7 o'clock. Press until you get to 7 o'clock. Then to move over to minutes, you once again press the right meter button. And now notice the minutes are flashing. Likewise, to set the minutes, we come back over to the left meter button and press that. It only goes up just like the hours. And press that until we get to 7 o'clock. And there we are. Once you've finished setting the minutes, press the right meter button again once. The clock will flash, and then come back and hit the left meter button. And there you go. The clock has been set. Congratulations, you've successfully set the clock on your Vulcan S. And that's really all there is to it. Pretty simple, really. I wonder how many unemployed 9-year-olds are going to be running around on the street now. Damn it. Well, I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a like. And if you like this sort of thing in general, please subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. And until next time, this is Trip on 2 Wheels, wishing you good luck finding your owner's manual. And while you're at it, don't forget to ride safe and ride often.